My mom just got in a car fight. Did ya? Someone cut her off and she was not having it. Hi guys. Hi guys, so today is gonna be a really different video than my other ones. I'm getting my lips done and Botox. How do you feel?
The lips, we'll see. I think she's good. But for the Botox, it's, well, to explain why you're getting it.
I probably don't need my lips done, but I kind of just want to get a little pout look. Or Botox, you guys are probably like, you're way too young for Botox, like blah, blah. Like, I agree. Guys, when I frown, I have this like thing in the middle of my eyebrows that looks like an 11, and it's like a joke in our family that like, what time is it, Sarai? 11. It's hereditary? Yep. Hereditary. My dad has it. I feel like it's like a common thing though. So I'm getting it.
You're getting it for preventative reasons.
Yeah, I'm getting it for preventative reasons. I'm also getting my forehead and my smile lines because whenever I wear makeup or foundation, it just like creases and looks really bad and crusty. Like you've noticed it too.
I have noticed the lines here.
It's not like super bad, like only I would really notice it, but it just doesn't make my foundation look very glowy. Or even whenever I'm not, my car is gonna break down. Even when I'm not wearing foundation, you can see the lines. So I'm getting that fixed and getting a little pout. I actually got my lips done like 2 years ago. Didn't turn out good. I kind of got a little botched. When I got my lips done 2 years ago, it did really hurt. I didn't get the numbing cream. I might get it this time.
No, she's not getting it this time. She wants to do this. She got to go in with her big girl panties on. You're going to do it. Hopefully her lips will turn out better than they did
before, because I looked...
She did not look cute.
I did not look good. Oh my god, I have a clip from a video that I posted on my main channel of like the day after I got my lips done. Horrible. Really excited, mostly for this thing.
Sorry, what time is it?
11. My appointment's actually at 11 though. Yeah, that's currently what's happening. We're on our way right now. My appointment's at 11. I'm gonna show you guys like the update, like the day after, a couple days after, a week after, and the final like results. So you guys are gonna come along with me. Also, I have no makeup on because I don't think you can wear makeup when they do all this. So see you when we're there. I'm getting kind of nervous. I feel like I have to poop.
And then I know that you have orthostatic hypotension, right? Okay. So if you start feeling faint, dizzy, warm, or anything like that, I can turn some air on you. If you start feeling nauseous or lightheaded, just let me know and I can lay you back.
I think my biggest thing is like I always hold my breath.
So you're gonna just look straight here, the neutral face. Then you're gonna raise your eyebrows nice and high. And then you're gonna frown for me. And then I'm gonna take some pictures of your lips. And then I'm just gonna wipe off your skin. Okay. Woo!
Numbing cream?
No, she didn't.
No, I do want numbing cream. Yes, I do.
So what numbing cream does is it numbs the outside.
Yeah.
So when I initially poke you, it's not quite as sharp. The filler has lidocaine in it. It's gonna numb the inside of your lips.
Oh, okay.
But the numbing cream is gonna help numb the outside of your lips.
Okay.
One thing to remember with like across the lines on your forehead
Yeah.
is that the more you move them, the deeper they're gonna get. And then you start getting static lines, which are lines that are there even without movement. You're still young enough that you're not quite getting them yet, but you're gonna wanna do Botox probably every 3 months to keep it up so that they don't become static.
Like mine.
Okay.
And so...
I'm gonna do your Botox first and then I'll put numbing cream on you, that way it's not sitting on your lips too long and making you nauseous or anything like that, okay?
The lips hurt more than the Botox, I heard.
Yeah, Botox is just gonna feel like a little poke. And raise your eyebrows. Up. Frown for me. And then does that bother you? The line right in the horizontal line on your nose?
Yeah, fix that.
We'll just put it
I mean, we're already there, right?
Yeah, might as well.
I didn't notice it because we always pay attention to the 11s.
How you feeling, Sarai?
A little nervous.
Are you?
But I'm excited.
Are you?
I just like am nervous for the lips because I remember that hurting.
Feel like you're at ideal image. It's a way different
I feel
experience.
Way more comfortable here.
And
I have a mirror if you want to hold on to a mirror.
Oof, no, I cannot watch this.
You already have a lot of wrinkles in your forehead.
I know. I think it's from Dad.
Sometimes it's genetic. Like when I raise my forehead, I only get wrinkles above my eyebrows. I don't get them anywhere else.
She has a lot of what?
Lines.
In her
forehead.
Yes. Sarai, who's that from?
My dad.
This is perfect. This is preventative.
And close your eyes.
Like that. Pinch.
Oh, that wasn't bad.
Pinch. No, it's not too bad. It's just a little bit of a pinch. Pinch.
Yeah, that feels like nothing.
Have you taken any blood thinners recently?
Am I bleeding a lot?
Not a lot, it just ran down your face.
Is that normal?
Yeah, some people
I'm like, oh gosh.
dribble a little bit. You're just a dribbler.
I think she's a little bit anemic as well. So she has low iron.
Oh, yeah, I am.
So
Okay.
So many problems. Yeah. So should I not like look shocked at all after this? Like I shouldn't move my face a lot?
So we reconstitute with a bacteriostatic, which is just a preservative. So you're gonna feel a little bit tight at first.
Okay.
Okay. I just barely lifted your eyebrows. All it's gonna do is pronounce your arch. It's not gonna make you look like.
It feels like I'm like popping a pimple. And I feel like that hurts more than this.
I mean, the needle's pretty thin.
it just looks like a whole bunch of red dots.
I don't look.
No, you don't look like anything.
I just have one poke.
Sexy and you know it.
There we go.
We got a bleeder. We got a bleeder. Ah.
So when I rub it off, I always rub up.
Oh, you are sexy, Sarai. This is numbing cream, you guys, in case you didn't know.
Yeah, it's gonna constrict her blood vessels a little bit so that she doesn't bleed quite so much. With your lips, when I flip it out, it's gonna flip up like that.
My lips feel so weird.
Squeezy, squeezy.
Oh
No.
gosh. I'm gonna cry.
I will warn you before I poke you. Poke. First poke's the worst. As I move along, the numbing cream is gonna work on the inside of your leg. To the edge on this side before we add any volume in it. I've only outlined your lips so far. If you want, I can fill in all the volume and then we could do that at the end as a last touch.
That looks good.
Yeah, wow.
So I just did the outline, but I'm talking, I don't know if you can see, I'm talking about popping these up like that to make those point more.
Yeah, I think a little bit.
We'll do that at the end. I'll add your volume and everything first, that way you can see. Okay, smile for me. I know you're numb. I know. I'm gonna switch my needle, do a little bit in your bottom lip. First poke's gonna hurt, okay?
Oh, I'm numb. Wow.
I'll show you. So this one feels like I'm poking you in the nose. But it just feels a little awkward. You know, like when you're at the dentist and they're doing those shots. What I'm doing is I'm gonna go from here up and I'm gonna put a little bit along here and it's gonna make them point.
It's like right here.
That spot.
My lips look so good.
Okay, so my massage is aggressive. You're not going to do this. So remember, you're not going to touch your lips for the next 24 hours.
Wow. I feel like I can't smile or anything, but that's what they look like. I think they look so good. What do you think?
I love them.
I just got into the car. I feel like I'm like talking weird because I'm still so numb. So that's why I'm like, I feel like I can't make any expression on my face. I'm icing my lips. I think they look so good. I feel like I don't look that crazy. I'm super swollen right now, so they're not gonna look like this. I'm so excited. I feel like I don't look that excited because I can't like smile or do anything because I'm numb. I'm really excited and I'm so fake. Ignore my acne, but I think they look so good. Like, hi, what's up? Time for lunch. We got Chick-fil-A. I'm so excited because we barely get Chick-fil-A because it's kind of like far from our house. So good.
With your bajuju lips.
Kylie Jenner who? Good morning, guys. So it is the next morning and I wanted to do a little update on my lips and my face. I look a little rough because I just woke up. It's the morning time and usually my lips are already swollen without this. So my lips are obviously swollen because it's the morning time and I got my lips done yesterday. I feel like they didn't swell too bad. I have like a couple bruises right here, but other than that, it's not horrible. I've just been applying Aquaphor and icing it a lot. Actually, I haven't iced it that much, like twice. So for my 11, it definitely has made a difference. And then when I do this, like there's not a lot of wrinkles, so I'm super excited about that. Yeah, that's my little update. I feel like it looks pretty good. I love how my lips like go out a little bit, like they have that like, I don't know how to describe it. It kind of like reminds me of like Madison Beer. Yeah, I'm really happy about it, and Ideal Image did like an amazing job. I'm so happy. Yeah, other than that, I'm not really bruised anywhere else other than right there. And oh, I guess right there too. So far, I think it looks really good, and I'm excited. Okay guys, so it is the next day. It's day 2, 3. I have some bruising right here, but this is what my lips look like. I feel like they look pretty natural. I'm already like, I want more, but I'm trying to tell myself to not. Also, I just got my flu shot, so that's what that is. So get your flu shot. Also for my forehead, it's so crazy. Like what? I have no wrinkles. I will check back to you guys in like a week for the final result. Hello. It's so cute. Let me clean you off. So it is a week later from when I got my lips done and my Botox. Also, I just put lip gloss on. I didn't overline them or anything. And I feel like they look really good. Guys, it's so bad. I'm already like, I want more because I'm so used to them already. They definitely look pretty natural to me. I don't know if I'm just used to it. So I can see how these get addicting to get. Close up of them. I definitely want more. What do you guys think? Also, at Ideal Image, I got 1 syringe in my lips and 1 syringe of Botox on my forehead and right here. Also, I'm loving the Botox. I literally get no creases or anything from my foundation, which I hated. It's so funny because I try so hard to like move my forehead, but I can't. Like that's as much as I can move. And there's no 11. I want to give a shout out to Ideal Image. They are amazing and I had such a good experience there. I was really nervous getting lip injections and they made me feel completely comfortable because the first time I got lip injections at this other place, it was not a good experience, as you guys know. Love how everything turned out. Looks really natural and I don't look botched or crazy or like a duck. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below and I will answer them. But yeah, throughout this video, I make fun of my wrinkles and stuff, but there's nothing wrong with wrinkles or fine lines. It was just bothering me. I don't want you guys to think that I'm like, oh, like you should get plastic surgery. Like, no, you're beautiful the way you are. I just really, it was just bothering me a lot. We're gonna make a deal. If I continue to get lip injections and get more and more, and I start to look too crazy, please drag me in the comments. Please, roast me. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I will link Ideal Image down below because they are amazing. They have so many different locations in different states, so got you. I love you guys so much. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.